The word yoga means union. It is the integration of mind, body, and spirit. There are many types of yoga. There are many categories to yoga, like Hatha Yoga, Mantra Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga, Kriya Yoga, Raja Yoga, and many more. Then comes the divisions to yoga. There are 8 parts of yoga: Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyan, and Samadhi. These all 8 parts are related to human life or surrounding the human life. Then in 2014 December, UN declared 21st June as an International Day of Yoga. Now let's get back in the flashback of the yoga. Rig Veda. It is a sacred oldest book in the human history, and it is considered 8 to 10,000 years old from now. Yoga is a part of this Vedic culture. Maharishi Patanjali is considered the father of yoga, and he propounded it nearly 5,000 years ago. Then came the time of medieval period. In medieval period, yogis like Swami Vivekananda, Tirumalai Krishnamacharya, and many other yogis took yoga to the Western world, and the world got a glance of yoga, the yoga way of life or the Indian way of life. Then after 100 to 200 years from medieval period, which is today's age, people started to forget this ancient practice. But some yogis, some leaders talked about it in international platforms and pushed this culture, pushed the yoga culture. And finally it went to United Nations, where 177 nations voted for it from 193 nations. It was a record that so many nations supporting anything with such unity. 177 was a big number. Then it was declared that 21st June 2015 onwards will be celebrated as International Yoga Day. And because 21st June is the longest day in the year, that is why this specific date was considered. Ancient Indian practice got viral in school, colleges, countries, continents, and international platforms and everywhere. Then the world finally accepted the Indian philosophy of yoga. So wish you a very happy International Yoga Day.